I meteorologist Jamie Singleton. Look at the rain moving through the area, soon to be snow across the region as some colder air moves in from the north. And then energy, that spin right there in Oklahoma, is going to ride along it and lift the air, producing those scattered areas of heavier snow. You can see it moving on through the area, and then it's in and out of here by the time we go into the evening hours of your Monday. Here's how our computer model shows it. Several inches possible. Look at Danville at 5.4. This keeps going back and forth. It gives you the idea that wherever the heavier bands set up, we could see in excess of 3 or 4 inches of snow out there. Temperatures Sunday were very, very warm, but look at the colder area. You can almost visualize it scooting in from the northwest, and temperatures by noon on Monday in the mid-20s out there. So the roads will become slick, and we're down into the single digits for Monday night going into early Tuesday. 3 to 6 inches appears to be the ballpark right now is what we're looking for as far as a range. 2 to 5 a little bit farther south, some sleet in south side. 4 to 8 toward Hot Springs. Temperatures will be in the 40s waking up, and then as we go into the day, down into the 20s, 3 to 8 inches for most areas, 1 to 5 in south side. And then as we go into Tuesday, everything's clearing out, but look at that cold start, so watch out for black ice Tuesday morning. Wednesday, 43. Thursday and Friday, second system brings more in the way of a rainy forecast.